Your legs weaken first. 5 T's that rebuild muscle fast. If your legs are the first to weaken, the problem goes far beyond tiredness or age. This is a clear sign that something is failing in muscle regeneration, and your body is screaming for help. The truth is that thousands of people have already lost mobility by ignoring this silent warning. But the good news is that nature offers powerful and accessible solutions. There are teas that accelerate muscle reconstruction, strengthen fibers, and restore vitality to your legs in record time. Various scientific studies have already proven that compounds present in specific herbs activate deep muscle recovery processes. And the most surprising part, many of these teas are in your cupboard right now, but they have never been used the right way. Stay tuned because tea number 4 is something you have probably already had, but never imagined it could strengthen your legs so quickly and effectively. These secrets, used by athletes and practitioners of ancestral medicine, are finally being revealed. They can transform your body without the need for expensive supplements or exhausting workouts. But before showing which teas these are and how to use them correctly, one question needs to be asked. Have you ever felt your legs give out when climbing stairs or getting out of bed? I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on top of this vital information. Let's start by talking about the first tea, green tea. Green tea is not just a popular drink among those trying to lose weight. It is one of the biggest allies of muscle recovery, thanks to a compound called EGCG, which acts directly on the regeneration of damaged tissues. Professional athletes often consume green tea after intense workouts to reduce inflammation and accelerate muscle repair. And the most interesting part, you can find this tea in practically any supermarket in the US, like Walmart or Whole Foods, which makes it easy to include in your routine. Just 1 cup a day is enough to start a silent but powerful process of muscle restructuring. Now imagine this. You come home after a long day, prepare a hot green tea, and without even realizing it, you're giving your body a powerful boost for your legs. And if you prefer, it can also be enjoyed iced with lemon, making it a refreshing option for the American summer. It's a small habit, but with huge long-term impacts. Numerous studies, like those published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, show that green tea improves muscle oxygenation. This means more energy for walking, climbing stairs, and moving with ease. A crucial point is the natural antioxidant present in green tea, which fights oxidative stress caused by physical exertion or aging. This stress is one of the reasons for that tired feeling in your legs at the end of the day, which many people think is just normal with age. Have you ever thought about how many people are suffering from this, without knowing the solution could be in a simple infusion? The question remains, do you usually drink tea in your daily life, or do you only remember it when you have a cold? Comment below which one is your favorite. Those who start consuming green tea regularly often notice subtle but consistent changes, like more energy and fewer muscle aches. It's one of those practices so simple it's almost unfair to ignore, and it doesn't require anything elaborate. Just hot water, a tea bag, or a teaspoon of green tea, 5 minutes of steeping, and it's ready. If you want to enhance it even more, try adding a bit of mint or ginger. And since we're talking about ingredients that help your muscles recover, the next tea has an even more direct effect on pain and inflammation. Tea number 2, ginger. Ginger has always been known for relieving nausea and colds, but few are aware of its power when it comes to muscles. Ginger tea acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, relieving muscle pain and aiding recovery after intense workouts or even daily exertion. If your legs always feel heavy, as if they are always locked up, this tea might be the relief you didn't even know you needed. It works as a restorative agent, promoting circulation and reducing inflammation in injured tissues. And the best part, it is cheap, easy to prepare, and sold in any pharmacy or supermarket in the USA. Research published in the Journal of Pain showed that people who consumed ginger daily experienced up to 25% less pain after physical exercise. This is because ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that directly fights inflammatory processes in the muscles. How about trying a ginger tea before bed, especially after a busy day or a long walk? Your body starts working silently during the night, rebuilding fibers and relieving the tension accumulated in your legs. All of this while you rest. And that is not all. For those who suffer from stiff joints or muscle fatigue upon waking, ginger tea can be a game changer. It warms the body from the inside out, improving circulation in the extremities and relaxing the muscles. Want a practical example? Cut a few thin slices of fresh ginger, boil for 10 minutes and add a little honey. Simple, natural, and powerful. Some people even add cinnamon to enhance the anti-inflammatory effects, creating a powerful combination for muscle health. Now stop and think. When was the last time you took care of your muscles with something natural, without needing capsules or painkillers? Ginger tea is one of the few home remedies that science enthusiastically supports. And this is just the beginning. The next tea not only regenerates but also protects the muscles against future injuries, especially if your legs already show signs of frequent weakness. Number 3. Turmeric tea. Turmeric is a golden root that carries within it one of the most studied natural compounds in modern medicine, curcumin. When transformed into tea, it becomes a true remedy for weakened muscles, especially in the legs. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action, aiding in the regeneration of damaged muscle fibers, particularly after intense physical effort or aging processes. In the United States, turmeric tea is easily found in stores like Trader Joe's, Sprouts, and even on Amazon in pure versions or combined with ginger. A study published by the Journal of Applied Physiology revealed that curcumin can significantly reduce exercise-induced muscle damage, speeding up recovery. This explains why many physical therapists and trainers recommend turmeric for patients facing leg pain or muscle weakness. A simple cup a day can help keep muscles active and protected against invisible wear and tear. And if you want to increase the absorption of curcumin, add a pinch of black pepper to the tea, as practitioners of Ayurvedic medicine do. Now think about it. Have you ever felt your legs lock up after a short walk or had difficulty getting up from a low chair? These are classic signs of muscle strength loss, which often go unnoticed. Turmeric tea comes in as a daily, discreet, and effective reinforcement. With a strong flavor and intense color, it can also be consumed cold or with plant-based milk, creating the famous golden milk, a version that warms the body and soul. And before continuing, I would like to know your routine. Have you ever tried using turmeric in teas, soups, or seasonings? Leave in the comments how you usually use this powerful root. Because the next tea has a vibrant color and a floral taste, but what it does inside the body is pure science. It intensely and naturally fights the premature aging of muscles. Number 4. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus, with its vibrant color and slightly acidic taste, goes far beyond being a tea for weight loss. It is extremely rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress in the muscles. This stress is one of the great villains of strength loss, especially in the legs, which are often the first to show signs of fatigue. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea helps preserve muscle cells and improves blood circulation, which favors the transport of essential nutrients for muscle recovery. A true ally for those who want to stay active and avoid persistent pain. Furthermore, hibiscus can be consumed iced, making it an excellent option for hotter days, replacing industrialized and sugar-rich drinks. A study published in the Journal of Human Hypertension demonstrated that hibiscus also helps reduce blood pressure, which improves blood flow to the muscles, especially during recovery. The result: firmer, less swollen legs with more vitality. It works in a silent but intense way within the body. Many people are surprised by this tea's ability to revitalize the body, especially when consumed at strategic times, such as after long walks or strength training. Simply prepare an infusion with dried hibiscus flowers, let it cool, and drink it throughout the day. It's simple and effective. Another powerful tip: try combining hibiscus with lemon peel or orange slices, enhancing the antioxidant effect and giving it an even more refreshing taste. Convenience is one of the greatest benefits of this habit. Have you tried hibiscus tea? And if so, how do you usually prepare it? Write your favorite recipe here in the comments. Because the next tea is a powerful root that has been used for centuries to increase physical stamina and muscle energy, and the impact it has on the body may surprise you. Number 5. Peruvian maca tea. Peruvian maca may seem like just another exotic root, but it holds a powerful secret for those who suffer from muscle weakness, especially in the legs. When consumed as a tea, maca acts as a natural tonic, strengthening physical stamina and promoting a real increase in muscle energy. It stimulates the production of hormones linked to vitality and physical performance, which directly translates into more strength, balance, and faster recovery. If getting up from the chair has seemed more difficult lately, perhaps this root is the boost the body has been asking for. Studies show that maca can improve muscle function and even athletic performance, being widely used by those who practice physical activities and people in the process of rehabilitation. The most interesting thing is that it does not act superficially. Its effect is cumulative and long-lasting, reinforcing the muscular system with continuous use. Preparing the tea is simple. Just boil the dried or powdered root and consume it once a day. Over time, the body responds with more energy, strength in the legs, and a notable feeling of vigor in daily tasks. Another little talked about benefit of maca is its adaptogenic effect. This means it helps the body better cope with physical and emotional stress, protecting the muscles against excessive wear and tear. In other words, it not only rebuilds but also prevents. Have you ever thought about including a drink that, in addition to strengthening, also protects your muscles for the future? It is a smart choice for those who want to age with independence and maintain quality of life without depending on medication. And now an important question. Have you heard of Peruvian maca before this video? If so, how do you usually use it in your daily life? Share your experience in the comments. Strengthening your legs doesn't have to be a losing battle against time, genetics, or daily fatigue. What many people still haven't realized is that small, consistent actions, like incorporating functional teas into your routine, can transform your body from the inside out. Each tea mentioned in this video carries a specific function that, when combined with the others, creates a true shield against muscle loss and the constant feeling of weakness. Nature is providing the resources. The question is, will you keep ignoring them, or will you start using them to your advantage? Imagine yourself a few weeks from now climbing stairs with ease, walking without pain, or simply getting out of bed with more energy. It might seem too simple, but this is the power of smart habit accumulation. And it all starts with a choice. Will you keep looking for answers in expensive formulas and temporary solutions? Or will you test what science has already confirmed and is within your reach? Because the body does respond, and it responds quickly when it gets what it truly needs. Now tell me in the comments, which of these teas have you used before, and which one will you start drinking from today? Your experience can help other people who are going through the same challenge. And if you know someone who is always complaining about weak legs, share this video. Sometimes what's missing isn't physical strength, but the right knowledge. If this content helped you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. There's much more coming for those who want to recover their body, energy, and the freedom to move without limits.